Okay, for fun, let's make a little Easter bunny card. Now for this exercise, you can draw with your marker pens or your crayons or your colored pencils. Start by folding your paper over in half. And then pick a color that's rather dark, maybe a brown or a purple or even a blue to draw with. We'll start our drawing with the colored pens. Okay, I'm going to start my bunny using the brown marker pen just to the right of center here. We're going to start with his head and we'll leave room for the ears right here. Here's his head. It's going to curve around, make a little nose. Here's his eye, just so you know where we are. Remember, it doesn't have to look right. We're artists. We get to do what we want to do. It's the ear. Another ear. Silly looking. And here's his body. Squish around. Remember, if we go too fast, just stop the videotape and catch up. Here's the back leg. Bunnies have big thumper feet, don't they? And here's the front paw. And then we'll connect his neck. And here's a front paw, the other front paw. The insides of his ears. Okay, now I'm going to draw a couple of Easter eggs before I do the border of the card. And I think I'll do a flower here in pink. And you remember, you can decorate these eggs any way you like, using all these wonderful Sharpie pens. And I think I'll put a few little purple decorations here. I'll do a purple stem, leaf, just because I can. And then I'm going to do a blue border. Remember, when you do a border, go behind anything that you've already drawn so it doesn't mess it up. Let's see, that does kind of go past it, doesn't it? And then decorate the border any way you like. You know, you could do flowers, you could do polka dots, anything you like. Make a border. It's going to turn it into a card. And then the fun thing of this is you can add the green grass last. You know, it can go behind your eggs to show that the little bunny's sitting in the grass. And it can go right over the bunny. There you go. Now you color all of this, and when you're finished, you open it up and then you write your note. Hello, happy Easter. Okay, kids, have fun. This is where we started. We wanted to draw a picture of a bunny for an Easter card. But if you just want to draw a bunny by itself, here's a little bunny hopping through the grass. And here's a bunny that's in front of a very nice, bright watercolor sunset. And this one's kind of cute. This is his interpretation. This is a bunny in the carrot patch. Okay, you guys, use your imagination and have some fun. Bye.